What's going on, buddy? Soliaka here, and as you can see, I'm not really set up. I just wanted to kind of make this kind of quick, but I got some more records, and if you don't remember from North Palm Beach, let's run this little clip. What's up, man? Hey, whoa, don't put your hand on your gun, man, dude. I'm not doing nothing to nobody. Look at your buddy. He's got his AR out. Look, dude, he's fucking... What's this guy's problem, dude? I'm not doing nothing. Dude, calm down, dude.
Relax. Go back.
I need to know. I need an incident. I want an incident report, please.
There will be no incident.
There is an incident report because there's a call and you. I want an incident report, sir.
Then I need your name and number to put in the incident
There's
report.
no name and number you're gonna get because you got a phone call. I'll get it one way or the other, bud. Plain and simple. So we go through that little process, and I get the CAD report, and I want to know who these officers that came out to approach me, who they were, because they came out there really aggressive. So I get the CAD report, but the CAD report doesn't really reveal who they are. It doesn't really say much of anything. So I had to do another records request. But we're going to get into the CAD report and let you see what I saw when I got the initial request. So moving forward, I then put in a records request for the 911 call, the radio communication, and I think there was 5 people involved, or 5 people that showed up to this incident, and so I asked for I wanted their paychecks. I got their last 2 paychecks, and we're gonna run through that. And like I said, everything that I'm showing you there'll be a link in the description below down there. Click on that link and you'll be able to see. I'll upload it and you can actually visually see it and read it at your own leisure and take your time and go through it. So, but I've got all that information. So we're gonna run their paychecks, and then we're gonna get into the 911 call and the radio communication as well. So stay tuned all the way to the end because that's where it gets really good. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. And Solo Yacker, deuces. And don't forget, buy my stickers.
No, thanks.
911.
Yes, I'm calling from North Palm Beach, and I'm calling because there is a guy walking in Anchorage Park with a flag and a load. I don't know if it's a loaded, but he has a rifle with him.
You sure it's a rifle, ma'am?
I'm sure.
Okay.
He asked for directions to where the pier was, and there's no pier. There's no pier right here. Yeah, it's a big flag. He's carrying a big flag. Do not tread. And he is towards the water. We just got our boat launched, and he is walking through the park to the south. I don't know what his deal is, but it was just awkward. It was weird. It's not normal. Yeah.
Okay. And that's Anchorage Park Marina or Anchorage?
Yes, Anchorage Park Marina, right there. Yep, right through the
Okay.
park. To the south. He's walking through the park right now.
Okay, and he was just right near the boat launch area?
Yes. Yep. Yep.
Okay, and do you remember what color clothes he was wearing?
Oh, I have no idea. He had white sandals on and a flag that says "Do Not Tread." So it had a half American flag and half something else. And my husband, I didn't even notice the gun, but my husband did. He said it's an AR-15, but he doesn't know if it's loaded. It was just weird, really weird. And my husband's like, "You think we should call him?" I'm like, yeah, I think we should.
Okay, and it was a white male, black male?
Spanish, I think, maybe Spanish.
Okay.
He was darker, not like not white.
Okay.
But I would send someone because he won't be long in there. He's walking with a backpack on, the flag. You can't miss him. You can't miss him. Shorts, jean shorts, like cargo shorts, and white sandals, like flip-flops, like slide-on. You just don't know what people's intentions are.
Right.
I hear that. I hear the sirens. They're on their way. I hear them because I live up.
Okay. And how long ago was it? You said you just got your boat
2
launched.
minutes.
How long ago? 2
yeah,
minutes?
2
Okay.
minutes. 2 minutes.
All right.
He's not right. He has a tank top on. I do remember that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay?
All right.
You don't know if it's real or fake. Who knows? But he did have a rifle with him. The cops are there. I hear them, babe. Okay.
Okay. All right. And can I get your name, ma'am?
Yes.
And what's your telephone number?
There was another boat, and everybody was like, what the heck is going on?
Okay. All right, ma'am. They're on the way. They'll be there.
All right. I hear the cops right now. Yep, I hear them. Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
All right. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
North Palm Bravo 465 and 79. Anchorage Park. Callers advising there's a male walking with a flag and a rifle in the park. 23 on further.
They're on Alpha 4, 5194.
10-4. It's going to be at the marina on the water side walking south is what the caller's advising. Guards Alpha 465-68 requires a 45. I just got a key after you advise. Go ahead.
Terrible.
45 Melody from Birmingham Drive in reference to a possible 53.
Terrible.
Responding unit to North Palm. They're advising he's carrying an AR-15.
Project.
Hispanic male, dark skin, backpack, jean shorts.
North Palm Bravo 1097 Acres Park.
1656. Gardens Bravo 10. I put you on a 1017 requiring a 45 from the sergeant.
North Palm Bravo 4, told by bystanders there was a male walking with a very large flag, walking south toward the south end of the park. They did not advise if he had a weapon.
10-4.
North Palm Bravo 2, me on foot on the south end of the park from Anchorage.
1659.
No, 110-1. I'll be next over Bravo 2.
1700. Back to 9868. What unit are you? I thought you said Bravo 10.
Channel 1.
Okay, no one. Thank you.
Gardens 8 to North Palm Bravo 10.
North Palm Bravo 10.
Gardens 8, if you could just relay to them, it's a YouTuber. He's live right now. 23.
North Palm Bravo 448. North Palm Bravo 4.
Alpha 4.
For Gardens 8, it's a YouTuber that's video is live right now.
10-4, 148.